What if the real reason you struggle with constant hunger, low energy, stubborn belly fat, and uncontrollable cravings isn't calories at all, but insulin? Every time insulin spikes, your body shifts into fat storage mode, shuts down fat burning, and sets you up for energy crashes later in the day. In this video, you'll discover 11 powerful foods that help keep insulin low all day, stabilize blood sugar naturally, reduce cravings, and support steady energy and fat loss. These are simple foods, but their impact on your metabolism is massive. Let's begin. Number 1. Avocados. Avocados are one of the most powerful foods for keeping insulin low because they are extremely low in carbohydrates, while being rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and fiber. These fats slow digestion and delay the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, which prevents sudden insulin spikes after meals. When insulin remains low and stable, your body can access stored fat for energy instead of constantly locking calories away as fat. This makes avocados especially effective for people struggling with insulin resistance or stubborn weight gain. In addition to insulin control, avocados promote deep satiety and appetite regulation. They help reduce hunger hormones and prevent the urge to snack between meals, which is one of the biggest causes of repeated insulin spikes throughout the day. Avocados also support gut health and hormone balance, both of which influence blood sugar regulation. When eaten regularly, avocados help create a metabolic environment where insulin stays calm and controlled for many hours. Number 2. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most reliable foods for stabilizing blood sugar and keeping insulin low, especially when eaten as your first meal of the day. They are packed with high-quality protein and healthy fats that slow digestion and reduce how quickly glucose enters the bloodstream. Unlike carbohydrate-heavy breakfasts that spike insulin and lead to crashes, eggs provide long-lasting energy and help keep hunger under control for hours. Eggs are also rich in nutrients like choline and vitamin D, which support insulin sensitivity and metabolic health. When insulin remains low after meals, your body becomes more efficient at burning fat and maintaining steady energy levels. Before we move to the next food, make sure to like the video. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to bring you more valuable health content. Number 3. Fatty fish. Fatty fish plays a critical role in keeping insulin low all day because it contains virtually zero carbohydrates and is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which directly improve insulin sensitivity. One of the biggest drivers of insulin resistance is chronic inflammation, and omega-3s help calm that inflammation at a cellular level. When inflammation is reduced, insulin can do its job more efficiently, meaning the body needs to release far less of it to manage blood sugar. This alone makes fatty fish one of the most insulin-protective foods you can eat. Beyond inflammation control, fatty fish delivers a powerful combination of protein and healthy fats that keeps blood sugar stable for long periods. These nutrients slow digestion, reduce appetite hormones, and prevent the rapid hunger rebound that usually follows carb-heavy meals. Eating fatty fish also shifts your metabolism toward fat utilization instead of glucose dependence, which is essential for maintaining low insulin throughout the day. Over time, regular consumption of fatty fish helps retrain your body to stay in a low insulin, fat-burning state for longer and longer periods. Number 4. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach, kale, arugula, and lettuce are among the lowest impact foods on insulin because they contain very few digestible carbohydrates while being extremely rich in fiber, water, and micronutrients. These vegetables add bulk to meals without increasing blood sugar, which allows you to eat satisfying portions while keeping insulin levels minimal. This is especially important for people who feel hungry often but want to avoid insulin spikes. Leafy greens are also one of the best dietary sources of magnesium, a mineral that plays a key role in insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Magnesium helps insulin work more efficiently, reducing the amount your body needs to release after meals. When leafy greens are eaten consistently, they improve metabolic flexibility, reduce post-meal glucose spikes, and help keep insulin levels stable from morning to night. Number 5. Nuts. Nuts are exceptionally effective for insulin control because they combine healthy fats, fiber, and protein with very low carbohydrate content. This unique combination dramatically slows digestion and reduces how quickly glucose enters the bloodstream. As a result, insulin responses after meals are much smaller and more controlled. Nuts also help improve insulin sensitivity over time, meaning your body becomes better at managing blood sugar with less insulin. Another major benefit benefit of nuts is appetite control. Because they are dense, satisfying, and slow digesting, nuts reduce cravings and prevent the constant urge to snack. This is critical because frequent snacking is one of the biggest causes of repeated insulin spikes throughout the day. When eaten in proper portions, nuts help maintain stable energy, reduce hunger between meals, and keep insulin levels consistently low. Number 6. Greek yogurt. Plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt supports low insulin levels primarily because of its high protein content and low sugar profile. Protein slows gastric emptying and delays glucose absorption, which prevents sudden blood sugar rises and excessive insulin release. Unlike sweetened yogurts, plain Greek yogurt provides nourishment without triggering insulin spikes. Greek yogurt is also rich in probiotics that improve gut health, and gut health plays a massive role in insulin sensitivity. A balanced gut microbiome improves glucose metabolism and reduces inflammation, both of which help keep insulin levels under control. When eaten with healthy fats or fiber, Greek yogurt becomes a powerful food for long-lasting satiety, steady energy, and insulin stability throughout the day. Number 7. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is one of the healthiest fats for insulin regulation because it improves insulin sensitivity and reduces systemic inflammation. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil slow digestion and reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes, meaning less insulin is required to manage glucose. This makes olive oil a powerful replacement for refined vegetable oils that worsen insulin resistance. Olive oil also contains polyphenols and antioxidants that protect insulin-producing cells and support long-term metabolic health. When olive oil is used consistently in meals, it helps stabilize blood sugar responses and supports a calmer, more efficient insulin rhythm throughout the entire day. Number 8. Berries. Berries are unique among fruits because they are relatively low in sugar and extremely high in fiber and antioxidants. The fiber content slows the absorption of natural sugars, preventing rapid blood glucose spikes and excessive insulin release. This allows berries to satisfy sweet cravings without disrupting insulin balance. The antioxidants in berries reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which interfere with insulin signaling. When berries are eaten with protein or healthy fats, their insulin impact becomes even smaller. This makes berries an excellent option for people who want to keep insulin low without eliminating fruit completely. Number 9. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the most insulin-friendly foods available because it contains 0 carbohydrates and is rich in lean, high-quality protein. Protein digestion requires minimal insulin and helps stabilize blood sugar levels after meals. Chicken breast provides steady energy without triggering insulin spikes, making it ideal for maintaining metabolic balance. Additionally, chicken breast supports muscle preservation and growth, which directly improves insulin sensitivity. Muscle tissue absorbs glucose more efficiently than fat tissue, reducing the need for insulin. Regular consumption of chicken breast helps control appetite, reduce cravings, and keep insulin levels low throughout the day. Number 10. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a powerful natural compound that helps reduce insulin spikes by slowing the breakdown of carbohydrates in the digestive system. This leads to a more gradual rise in blood sugar and a smaller insulin response after meals. Cinnamon also improves insulin receptor sensitivity, allowing glucose to be used more efficiently for energy. When used consistently, cinnamon helps lower fasting insulin levels and improves overall glucose control. Even small daily amounts can have a meaningful impact on insulin stability and metabolic health over time. Number 11. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are one of the most effective foods for maintaining low insulin because of their extremely high soluble fiber content. This fiber forms a gel-like substance in the digestive system that slows carbohydrate absorption and prevents blood sugar spikes for many hours after eating. Chia seeds also provide healthy fats and plant-based protein, which further enhance satiety and insulin control. They help reduce hunger, prevent cravings, and support steady energy levels. Regular consumption of chia seeds helps maintain long-term blood sugar stability and insulin balance. Keeping insulin low all day is not about restriction, it's about smart food choices. When insulin stays stable, fat loss becomes easier, energy improves, cravings fade, and your body finally works with you instead of against you. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more powerful health content.